Today, we discuss how to create barcode from data in C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to create barcodes from text, URLs, IDs, numbers, binary data, and memory streams using the IronBarcode library and .NET application. First, ensure that you have the IronBarcode NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can install it easily via the NuGet package manager. Moving to the program.cs file, we'll start by importing the IronBarcode namespace and setting the license key for IronBarcode. Let's begin by creating barcodes from different types of strings, such as text, URLs, and IDs. Create a barcode from a simple text string. We are using the string hello world. Similarly, create a barcode from a URL. We use the URL ironsoftware.com/C#/barcode. Next, we'll create a barcode from a numeric receipt ID. In this example, we use 2023-08-04-12345. Create a barcode from an alphanumeric flight ID. For this, we use FLT 2023-NYC-LAX-123456. And then lastly, we'll create a barcode from a simple number string. Here we use 1234. We'll save the generated barcodes to PNG files. We save each barcode with the corresponding name, like text.png, as the Aztec barcode type for string, url.png as QR code for URL, receipt ID.png as code 93 for receipt ID, flight ID.png as PDF forward 17 for flight ID, and number.png as a Codabar for number. Now let's move on to creating barcodes from byte arrays. Convert the same strings to byte arrays and generate barcodes similarly using encoding.utf8.getBytes method. The saving process is the same as we did above when saving from strings. The create barcode method can accept bytes as well. Lastly, we'll create barcodes from memory streams. Convert the strings to memory streams and then generate barcodes. Again, the saving process is the same as we did above for both strings and bytes. The create barcode method can also accept streams. So let's run the application to see the generated barcodes from text, URLs, IDs, numbers, binary data, and memory streams. All right, here you can see the barcodes are generated successfully. Each barcode encompasses the information provided at the time of creation. So by following these steps, you can easily create a variety of barcodes using IronBarcode in your .NET applications. Go ahead and explore more advanced functionalities of IronBarcode for versatile barcode generation tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronBarcode, please sign up for the trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.